How to fix fusion effect is not found when pressing Shift+Spacebar in DaVinci Resolve. Go to Effects panel and click on Effects. Scroll down, find Paper Edge, and drag it into your video. Now let's undo the changes and go back to the Fusion page. Here I want to add this effect on the Fusion page. If I press Shift+Space and search for Paper Edge, I can't find the effect to add it. Go to Effects panel, expand Templates, expand Edit, and click on Effects. Here you can find the effect and drag it into composition. Or you could use the search bar at the top and search for the effect. If you want to be able to use this effect when pressing Shift+Space, first double-click on the group to open it. Select everything in the group, right-click and choose Macro, Create Macro. From File menu, choose Save, give it a name, and save it to the default location. Now close this window and delete the Paper Edge effect. Press Shift+Space, search for the name you just saved, and add it.